Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Freightliner M2 106. Folks, this is a 25 foot by 102 foot bed, wood bed, folks, with a universal Moffett kit. This is a beautiful truck with only 112,000 miles on it. I'm going to open up the hood, fire it up for you so you can hear it run, and then we'll do a walk around of this truck. As you can see, 112,000 miles. This is an automatic 50,000 GVW universal mounting kit. This is an ISL Cummins engine, 300 horsepower max. As you can see, she runs great with only 112,000 miles on it. I'm going to shut it down here. Folks, this unit is equipped with steel rims. All brand new rubber all the way around. As you can see, excellent condition. Drums and brakes are 90% or better. Close down the hood. Matching tires on the front. Brand new tread. Refurbed rims. This unit is equipped with dual aluminum tanks. As you can see, the underside has been completely redone on this, turbo blasted, primed, and repainted. This is a wood bed. Steel headache rack has been extended to prevent any damage to your roof from hauling material. As you can see, rear tires are steel, reconditioned, excellent tread condition all the way around. This is a spring ride unit. As we get to the back, you can see our universal mounting kit. We'll carry a Princeton, a Moffett, and many other brands. Just let us know what model you have. We'll confirm it fits and do any alterations if needed. All of our units come with brand new straps, refurbed ratchets. As you can see, refurbed rims, beautiful tire condition all the way around. As we come back up to the front here, you can see refurb toolbox, dual 50-gallon aluminum tanks. This 2016 Freightliner with 112,000 miles is a beautiful unit, folks. Great to add to your fleet. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call. Take a look at our trucks, our trailers, and our available piggyback forklifts that are in stock. Thank you for your time. Give us a call.